going on, Noirgang? So we're back in a super different location. I kind of feel like this area, this warehouse area, looks like where you go to get killed and your body put in a freezer. But alright, so we're back. I got Monica over there. Today we are going to install the test pipes and the white pipe finally. Carl, thank you, and Joseph are helping me because I was not able to break off the test pipes. I wasn't able to bust a nut by myself, sadly. So I'm gonna just have them help me out, and hopefully we can get this knocked out by, you know, before tomorrow. So hey, say hi. So they're working on their shit right now. They're switching manifolds. Me, I'm just waiting for my time. I love how they call me rich, right? Yo, look what this dude's got. Yo, how the fuck am I rich, right? When he's already one-upping me. What is this, bro? What are these? What the fuck is that over there? You have hood struts, bro. Yeah. You're already way fancier than me, bro.
It's not that. I did it because I freaked out a lot.
Bro, really? Look, that's so Haitian of you, bro. You're using a broomstick to keep the hood on.
Hey, is he really judging me right now?
So we're finally getting started on mine. I feel hella slow though. Like everybody's doing so much more than me. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm so excited. I'm like, oh, I got a almost full exhaust. And I'm not gonna say what you guys did.
You're gonna get there, man. You're gonna get there.
One day.
I'm on there for MPG.
One day I'll be rich and I'll do it. Immediately judged as soon as they pop the hood and they looked at the intakes. So like, you're tuning with short ram intakes. Of course not. Of course not, bro. Come on, I know better than that. So, what do we have to do? So, like, strap bar, take off the intakes, or what are we doing? What's going on?
Yeah, we're probably gonna have to take off your intakes. I don't think we have to take the strap bar away, even though it's pretty thick.
That's what she said.
I'm a virgin, so I don't know.
Alright, Noirgang, I'm not even gonna do a montage or nothing. I just want to get this thing clipped on and ready to go.
You think roll over?
Wait, what?
You think roll over?
Oh, man. Oh, we got Carl the strong man. Ooh, he's strong. Ooh.
I'm just short, man.
No, we're not short. Bro, you're not that short.
I am. I'm like,
no, look. Hey, no, come here. Look. Bro.
Look at your angle. You're looking down.
I know. I'm like all right, let's get started. Yo, if you guys only understood the headache that this man went through just to break one bolt.
Yes.
Yo, one bolt. One bolt had me scared that this shit wasn't happening.
Wait, what are you looking for? Look at the bolt. The bolt's hanging. Oh, you can record it if you want.
No, I want to get you actually like breaking that thing apart, bro.
Say less. Let's
say less.
Shine it over here. Shine it real quick. Let me show them how to do it. That's victim number one. So first, you need an extension.
Oh shit. Well, before I trip on it.
You gotta edit it down out, bro.
No, I'm gonna keep it in there.
Wait, what's like that? I think that's a. Let me see. What? Noir, is this the one you tried to remove?
No.
Don't lie.
Don't judge me, bro.
That shit looks. Oh god. Alright, let me try 14 because.
Oh god. Look, I never said I was a mechanic, bro. I just said I got parts and I can try and install them. That was it.
I feel you. We've all been there. That one looks rough, man. It looks like somebody's been here before.
That's what she said.
Alright, we're good right there. So let me hit it with the impact. Let's see if the impact can redeem itself. If it can't, fuck it. Probably not. Probably gonna need some manpower. The impact said nope. Let's see. Sideways, bro. Sideways. Close enough. Which way is lefty loosey? Okay.
Oh my god.
I'm kidding. Oh, I don't want to hit this. Knocking out the. Yeah, nah, I need it. Let me switch out. From the other side. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Yeah. Try not to hit the headlight.
There it is.
Okay.
That's how tough it is. You have to be strong, short, and Haitian.
I'm dead.
But yo, like, dude, it's nuts. I didn't think it was gonna be that difficult, but it really is. All right, bro. So these guys are actually doing a lot of the work.
I got you.
Look at these guys. Look at these guys.
All right. So.
It's like a movie date. But these guys thankfully saved my life today. I was not doing this by myself at all. Yeah, but Joseph, you look hella good, bro.
Thank you.
So now they're gonna help me with the white pipe. That part's easy. Can help with that for sure. And then we're gonna just put it back on. Well, they're gonna take it all off as one piece and then just put it on separate. So how long did it take, bro? Too long. Just that quick look says it all. Bro, all that work just to take off this, bro.
Worth it. The gains, man. This is for the gains.
I'm just trying to shoot flames, bro.
Exactly. Show them the new product.
Well, yeah, no, they already know, man. So, yeah, I already did a previous video. I like this guy. Like, he looks out for me all the time. He's like, no. He's like, if you want, we can edit that out. I'm like, no. Fuck it. Bada bing, we're putting it in. So, alright, now it's time to put in the new white pipe, new test pipes. Get the fuck out of here. Because it's already like 1:30, bro. It's already past my bedtime. It's time to go nap. So, this time I'm actually going to try and help him out. I've just been like the bit bitch. That's all I've been doing.
Yeah, I mean, hey, anything helps, you know?
Right, well, I like this guy. Alright, we're gonna move on. Go, Carl. Show me what my two-step's gonna be like. Go.
Bro, oh God, I got you.
Bro, just for comparison, just look at the difference. Alright, so here's the stock Y, right? I'm gonna just slap it there. Not that much bigger, but I thought this would be a little bit thicker, to be honest. I just want my white pipe to be as thick as Carl.
I'm dead.
Bro, after all that, finally. Test pipes are on, baby. Thank you guys, bro. You guys are lifesavers.
You're welcome.
Now the last and easiest part, the white pipe. You guys having a problem getting in the hole?
Just need some lube, man.
I'm a virgin. I'm not used to this.
This is Joseph's first time.
Be sensitive. It's my first time. Bro, finally, thank you guys. Thank you, bro. Plug in your ID, bro.
Ray G35.
Ray G, plug it. Well, alright, fuck you. But
What? Oh, yeah.
I'm kidding. Hey. But no, thank you guys, bro. They're a huge help. We're finally buttoning up, and then we're gonna see what it sounds like. It's gonna sound like pure hell. Like, it's gonna sound terrible, but
no, it's gonna sound really good. I think it's gonna sound really good. You're gonna smoke a little bit from the new stuff, but it should sound like nice and deep.
Sound nice and deep.
Yeah, just how they like it.
Yeah. All right. Finally, bro. Finally.
We did it, man. We did it.
It looks like it's light outside, bro. It throws me off so much. Whatever. Let's crank this motherfucker up. Who wants to do the honors of holding the camera? Who's feeling it? All right, Joseph.
Good morning.
Put it outside or you wanna do it in here? It's up to you.
Let's do it here.
Yeah, sure. It's the moment, man. Oh! Oh, fuck, you were in here. Oh, fuck, you were in the bumper.
That bad?
Yeah.
Oh my god, so yeah. I mean, the bumper has to go to the shop anyway. Dude, Gio, if you end up watching this video, I'm super fucking sorry. But thankfully, I mean, it's just paint damage, to be honest. Like,
You're gonna get roasted.
I know! I'm gonna get destroyed on the internet.
Your fashion is going to crucify him, bro.
You know it's over, bro. But you know what? Fuck yeah, I take my L's, bro. I embrace that shit. I mean, it sounds great though.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
You can pull it outside. You're welcome, man.
Yeah, you know, nothing.
You can pull it outside so it can, like, you know, you can rev it and stuff.
Nothing like crashing your car inside of the garage. Dude, I never leave my car in gear, and I totally just forgot. I was so ready to go home, but I'm gonna get roasted, and I'm gonna embrace it. So it is what it is.
I'll let you do the honors of telling the chat about this.
Yeah. So all right. Well, I'll try not to hit something else.
Yeah, don't worry. Please.
Good.
Yep.
love how I can get out of here, but I can't get out of the car.
Oh, you gotta. Is it smoking? What? Oh no, am I tripping? Smoking or no? What happened to him, that actually happened to me. Only thing is my handbrake worked. So yo, that was the scariest shit ever. The car went forward and then the handbrake was like, where are you going? So I hit my head on the steering wheel. Like it was, yeah, I was like, oh shit. It was early morning, dude. I was sleepy as fuck. Just starting my car so I can go inside, just let it warm up, whatever, and that happened.
It happens, bro, and I'm gonna take the L with pride. It is what it is, bro. I know. But whatever. Point is, now the exhaust is on. The only thing that's left now is just to do the intakes and maybe E85.
I'm down.
I mean, we'll see, bro. We'll see. I just don't want to stop hitting shit, you know, that'd be great. But alright, Noirgang, if you guys like watching the videos, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Also, if you guys are interested in the giveaway, watch the previous video. It tells you everything you need to know just to get entered. And win yourself some free intakes, bro. You can ball out in front of your other VQ friends, and they can call you rich.
You're rich. Like Joseph.
Yeah, Joe, you're rich.
Yeah. Do you see my Joseph is rich? Look, you even got the cap on,
bro,
man.
For real, hold on. Yeah, for real. First of all, you have a dad hat. You're already rich. Second of all, you have carbon fiber inserts, bro. Jesus, man.
It's official.
It's official. All right, Noirgang, we'll see you in the next one.